Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to add a phone number in Google My Business. First of all, we open Chrome browser. Then, go to the search bar and type My Business. Then, scroll down and click on View Profile. Once it's open, click on Edit Profile. Then, click on Contacts. Click on the phone icon. Select your country plus code. And then enter the phone number. Click on Save. Your number will be added to Google Business Profile. That's the way to add a phone number in Google My Business Profile. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.